Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech4Gamers. In this tutorial, I'm gonna guide you through how to enable or disable sound effects in Survivor.io application. So let's get started. Start off by opening up Survivor.io on your device. From the main screen, tap on the menu button at the top left and in the pop-up click Settings. Within the Settings menu, you will see Sound and Music option. If you turn on the button right next to Sound and Music, you will be able to enable the sound effect throughout the game. If you want to turn off the music and enjoy music-free experience, then toggle off the button right next to Sound and Music, and right after you do that, you will be able to mute your sound effect or disable sound effect in Survivor.io. If you prefer a quiet experience or just want to play with music in the background, turning off sound effects can help. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Survivor.io tips and tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.